Hi there, and welcome to the very first episode of Quantum Logic. I'm Spencer Scott, and this podcast is where we explore what's happening at the intersection of AI, cybersecurity, and leadership, and what it means for the way we work, lead, and think. All right, let's jump in. Today's episode is called The AI Tsunami, Ride It or Get Wiped Out, because that's exactly what this moment feels like. Let me start you off with this. We are not watching the rise of AI. We are already living in it. It's not future tech anymore. It's current infrastructure. It's shaping how we write, think, research, design, and even make decisions. And yet, I'm seeing a surprising number of leaders still brushing it off as a phase. Or worse, delegating all AI stuff to someone else, thinking it doesn't concern them directly. Here's the reality. This wave of change is bigger than any one department. And if you don't actively learn how to use AI, it will quietly change the rules around you. So why does this matter? Think about this. AI now drafts better emails than most of us. It reviews legal documents in seconds. It scans for security threats 24/7. And it's starting to make decisions that used to be made by people. But what does that mean for you? It means that leadership is being redefined, not replaced, redefined. The value you bring isn't about memorizing facts or even years of experience alone. It's about adaptability. It's about how quickly you can learn, unlearn, and reframe. Let me give you a quick real-world example. I was speaking with a friend recently. They run a mid-sized creative agency. They just landed a new client and needed to build campaign concepts within 2 days. And normally this would take 3 to 5 people to do this over a full week. But they use a combination of ChatGPT for copy, Midjourney for visuals, and voice cloning tool for a video mock-up, all in a single afternoon. They still did the creative thinking, but AI handled the heavy lifting. Now the project still required strategy, taste, and judgment. That's where the humans came in. But here's the shift. AI compressed their timeline by 5 days. That's not a small advantage. That's a different business model. And what about from a cybersecurity perspective? AI is already part of the problem and the solution. Threat actors are using generative AI to write phishing emails that sound authentic. Some are using voice cloning to scam people. AI-powered tools are scraping public data to build detailed psychological profiles. Trust me, this is not science fiction. This is happening right now. Let me give you another real-world example from the security world. Last year, a global company suffered a breach because an employee got a call from what sounded like their CFO. The voice on the line gave clear instructions, confirmed internal data, and requested a funds transfer. Everything sounded legit. But guess what? It wasn't. It was an AI-generated voice clone trained on just a few clips taken from a company webinar and a podcast interview. By the time they figured it out, 6 figures were gone. So yes, AI can be a creative partner, but it can also impersonate the people you trust. Let's talk about the leadership challenge. If you lead a team, here's what matters. Your people are watching to see how you react to change. If you ignore AI, they will too. If you show curiosity and openness, they'll feel safe to experiment. In my opinion, leadership isn't about having the answers anymore. It's about making space to ask better questions. You don't need to be a machine learning expert, but you do need to create a culture that doesn't freeze every time the tech evolves. Because here's the truth. AI will make some roles obsolete. And that's uncomfortable, but real. But it will also create entirely new ways to work. And the leaders who spot those opportunities first are the ones who will stay relevant. So what do you do? Here are some things I believe every modern leader should start doing right now. Number 1, Experiment personally. Don't outsource your learning. Try the AI tools yourself. Understand what they're good at and where they fall short. Number 2, create a safe space for your team to explore. Build time for learning. Encourage side projects. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Number 3, make AI part of your strategic thinking. Not just tech strategy, your people, risk, and innovation strategy. So let's wrap this up. Every major shift in history has caught some people off guard. And others, they were early, they didn't panic, they got curious. That's the opportunity in front of us now. You don't need to be first, you just need to move. Start learning, start trying things, and start asking better questions, while others are still waiting for someone to tell them what to do. Thanks for listening to the first episode of Quantum Logic. If it got you thinking, or if you know someone who needs to hear this, share it, message it to a friend, or just bring it up in your next team meeting. And if you're feeling brave, ask yourself, are you waiting for change or leading through it? Until next time, stay sharp, stay aware, and stay human. Bye now.